Pagefly Shopify landing page tutorial, Pagefly for beginners. So to get started with the Pagefly, how we can create our landing page, we need to first create our Shopify store and log into your Shopify store. So here I already created the account and also log in. So once you log into your account, the second thing that you need to do for you to access the Pagefly platform and create your own website, you need to go to here, add apps, and then over here you can see we have our Pagefly landing page builder. If you cannot see it here, then you can just search it. Just go ahead and click Shopify App Store and search for Pagefly, but you will always see it over here at the top. So I would just go ahead and click add over here for this one to be added inside our Shopify store. So let's just wait for the new page to open and we will install the Pagefly inside our Shopify store. So we have the button here, install app. So I will just go ahead and click on it. And let me just hide this one for now. And let's just wait for the installation to finish, and it may take some time. So once you successfully added a Pagefly, it will also automatically open. So here we are now inside the Pagefly platform. So let me just go ahead and click get started. So over here, as you can see inside the Pagefly, we are able to check our dashboard. So over here, you can see the performance of your landing page website. And also you can check your analytics over here. And you also have your pages. And of course, you can also add your section over here. You can create a new section. So to get started, we just need to go to our pages. And then over here, we can select regular pages or home pages. Let me just go ahead and go to the home pages. And we have different templates that we can choose as well. So they have tons of ready-made templates for you. So just click create from a template, or you can also create a blank page. But for this tutorial, to make it more easier and fast, I will just go ahead and click create from a template, so that we will just choose a template for our Shopify page. So over here, you have different categories. So let me just go ahead and select the home page. And over here, you can see the different templates that we have for the homepage category. So over here, you just need to select which of this template you like for your Shopify store website. So I will just go ahead and scroll down and look for a good template that I can use here. So maybe I will be using this one. So I will just go ahead and click on this. And then I will just go ahead and select the template. And let's just wait for the setup here. All right, so here is our template. So now we can customize everything here. And the good thing about Pagefly is that it's very user-friendly and it's very easy to change everything here. So you can just change the background image over here. Before we change the image over here or the background, I will first show you the different icons that you can see here from the left-hand side panel. So here we have our show page outline. So if you click on this, as you can see, we have our outline here. So for the section, if you will click this first section, you can see we have this line over here. It means that this is the section. So this is the first section. And if you click the second section, as you can see, this is our second section. So that's how you can easily find the different elements or sections that you have inside your website. And for example, over here, going back to the first section, if you click on this one, you can see we have one row and this is the row. So just highlight the row again. And as you can see, this is the row over here. And of course, inside your row, you have your column. So if you click your column, you have our column here. And also you can view what's inside your column. And you can see here we have our heading. And then we also have another heading over here. And then a button. So you can just highlight that one and change it over here. Or you can just close it and you can just easily click it over here and change everything. So going back to the show page outline, you can just close this one. So you can check everything here. And of course, you can also add some header over here if you like to add some header. So you can just click this add element, and then inside here you can add some layout tabs. So for example, if you will be adding a new layout again, you just need to drag it over here and then it will add it. So here we have added our layout, and then we can add some column as well if you like to, or you can add some slideshow or some content. So for example, if you want to add some slideshow, just click on slideshow and then you can just easily drag it and drop it over here. So we have now the different section here. So this is our section that we added, and this is the elements that we just added. And then you can just add some image over here. As you can see, we have our image over here, image source. So you can just go to your computer desk for you to upload some photos to be used here inside your website. So that's how easy you can add some section over here. And if you want to remove it, you can just either remove the entire section or you can just remove this one. So here we have our delete icon. If you click on this elements over here, and if you select this section, the entire section, you can also delete the entire section. So just click delete. And of course, if you want to undo, click the Control Z from your Windows computer or keyboard, or you can also click this undo button here to undo. So over here, you can also change the text, of course. So just go ahead and change this one. Shop now. And also here on the right hand side, we also have our general settings. So over here, you can change this text if you like to. Of course, you can also change this one, like if you want to make it bold, italic, underline, or change the color of the text, you can do it here. You can also change the heading number. And also you have the visibility settings over here if you want to hide this section or element on your desktop, laptop, or tablet. You can turn it on to hide it. As you can see, it's now gone. And let me just turn it off. And as you can see it brings special offer again. So over here, you also have your tracking attributes and also animation if you want to add animation on your text over here or images. And of course, you also have your styling over here, which you can see we are able to customize the content color if you like to. As you can see, the color changes. And then, of course, you can also adjust the spacing, the margin, the typography. Of course, you can also change the font style over here if you like to, and also you can change the background color, and also you can add some border over here, a display, and also you can add some effect. And also you have your advanced settings here. If you know the CSS code, then you can also make use of this. So those are under the styling. So that's how easy you can customize your website over here inside the Pagefly for your Shopify store. So Pagefly for me is very simple and user friendly compared to other website builder. So I guess these are the things that you need to know about Pagefly, especially for beginners. So I guess that's all for today's video, and I hope that you learned something today, and thank you for watching.